Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make glittery outfits in Dress to Impress. So if you want to shine brighter than everyone on the runway, in this easy tutorial, I'll show you a super simple hack to create glittery, sparkly outfits in DTI. So what you need to do is just first you can change your hair, makeup and skin tone first, and then you can put on any outfits that you like. In this case, I'm going to use, let's try to use this. Okay, I'm going to use this dress, for example, and here you can change the color. Okay, I'm going to change it into red for the ribbon. And okay, now to make it glittery or sparkling, you can just choose the color and go to this plus icon, and now just change the material into glitter. As you guys can see now, my outfit is now glittery. You can change it into 4 other colors also, like this. But if you want to, you can also do this rainbow glitter, but I'm suggesting you using the light color to make the rainbow pop up more, just like this. You can just play with the color to make the glitter looks good on your outfit. So as you guys can see, this is just an example. You can wear any outfits and change it into the glitter materials that I show you here. So whether you're going for a fairy glam, party queen or disco diva, this hack is your secret weapon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye!